Cucumber Ice Facial Cubes. Ice cubes are not only useful in chilling your drinks but can also be used as a cooling agent for your skin.
You will be surprised by the number of benefits that ice cubes have for your skin.
Here are some amazing benefits of this literally cool yet underrated home remedy. First though, let me refresh your memory on the benefits of ice on the skin. Stimulates blood circulation, stimulates collagen, primes skin for makeup, reduces redness, reduces puffiness, swelling, shrinks and fades pimples, reduces pain, great before and after a lip, brow wax, relieves sunburns, prevents the formation of wrinkles, constricts the pores, soothes irritation, encourages lymphatic drainage. Using cucumber ice cubes has many benefits including, stimulates blood flow which improves circulation bringing nutrients to the skin. Closes enlarged pores, reduces redness on the skin. Any redness and inflammation around spots, pimples are much reduced. Reduces puffiness under the eyes. Foundation glides on with ease and helps give a flawless look. How to make cucumber ice cubes. Use 1/2 a cucumber and 1 tablespoon of rose water, optional, and blend. Transfer to ice cube trays. Once frozen, massage on the skin until the cube is gone. Leave cucumber on the skin for 10 to 15 more minutes then rinse with cool water. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.